Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to activate Windows 10 easily. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. First, we will type PowerShell into the Windows search bar. Then we click on Run as Administrator. Next, there's a link that we'll copy and paste into PowerShell. I will put this link in the first pinned comment. Then we press Enter. This window will appear with several options. Windows will be the first option, so we will press number 1. Here, a message appears indicating that the activation process is complete. That's all. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.